Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. So we will continue our second chapter, and in this video we will do these three topics. We will learn about prime numbers, composite numbers and co-prime numbers. But before starting our new topic, let's revise what we did in the previous video. Divisibility rules. So let's revise this. Okay, I've taken this question from your book on page number 23. So now we will see that these numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 5 or 10. Let's do the first one. 1872. Okay, we know the divisibility rule for 2. The last digit is 2. It means this number is divisible by 2. For 3 we have to take the sum of all digits, which is 18, which is divisible by 3. So it means this number is also divisible by 3. But it is not divisible by 5 and 10 because the last digit is not 0 or 5. Okay, the next one, the last digit is 0, so it means it is divisible by 2. For 3 we have to take the sum. The sum is 15, which is divisible by 3, so this number is divisible by 3. This number is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 0, and so it is also divisible by 10. The next digit, the last digit is 5, so it is not divisible by 2. For 3 again we have to take the sum, which is 32. So it is not divisible by 3, but it is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5, and it is not divisible by 10 because the last digit is not 0. The next digit, the next number 2971, it is not divisible by 2 as the last digit is not even number. For 3 we have to take the sum, which is 19, which is not divisible by 3. For 5 it is also not divisible by 5 and also not by 10. The last number 4720. Okay, the last digit is 0, so it is divisible by 2. For 3 the sum is 13, which is not divisible by 3. For 5 the last digit is 0, so yes, it is divisible by 5 and it is also divisible by 10. Now let's move to our new topic, prime numbers. Okay, a prime number has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Okay, first you need to understand that what is a factor. So I have written here about factors. What is a factor? Number which can divide a given number leaving no remainder are called the factors of the given number. Means the numbers which can divide a given number are called factors of that particular number. For example, if I take an example of digit 9. So now we will see that which numbers can divide this number 9. So we always start with 1 because 1 can divide every number. So 1 is a factor of each number. After 1, 2. 2 can divide 9? No, 2 cannot divide 9. 3, yes, 3, so 3 is a factor of 9. 4 cannot divide. Similarly 5 cannot divide. 6, 7, 8 and 9 ones are 9. So these three are the factors of this number 9. So the numbers which can divide the given number are called factors of that number. And the prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. If a number cannot be divided exactly by any other number except 1 or itself, then that is a prime number. Means any number which has only two factors, that is 1 and that number itself. So those numbers are called prime numbers. Let's consider some examples. Okay, so here are some numbers and I have written their factors as well. Now let's see which numbers have only two factors. If you look at 2, see 2 has only two factors, which is 1 and the number itself, that is 2. And 3 also has only two factors, 1, 3. Okay, 4, and again if you look at 5 has also two factors. One is 1 and the number itself, which is 5. Then 7. Then 11. 11 also has only 2 factors. Then 13. And after 13, 17 here. So the numbers I have highlighted here, these are all prime numbers because they have only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. It means that these numbers cannot be divided by any other number except 1 and itself. So these numbers are called prime numbers. So I hope the concept is clear now. The prime numbers have only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Then what are all these numbers called which have more than 2 factors except 1? Okay, those numbers are called composite numbers. We will study about them in detail. Now let's move to the next topic. Co-prime numbers. Okay, what are co-prime numbers? Two numbers which have only 1 as their common factor are called co-prime numbers. Example are 9 and 16 co-prime numbers. So first let's write their factors. First we write the factors of 9 and 16. Okay, so here are the factors of 9, which is 1, 3 and 9. It means 1, 3 and 9 can divide 9. And factors of 16, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So these are all numbers which can divide 16. So these are called factors of 16. Now if you look at both of them, you see that there is only one common factor, which is 1. All other factors are different from each other. So 9 and 16 have only 1 as their common factor. It means that 9 and 16 are called co-prime numbers. So yes, 9 and 16 are called co-prime numbers. It means, I hope the concept is clear, that two numbers which have only 1 as their common factor are called co-prime numbers. Now let's move to the composite numbers. The numbers that have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Means the numbers which are not prime numbers are called composite numbers. If a number can be divided exactly by numbers other than 1 and the number itself, it is called a composite number. For example, if we write the factors of 9, what it will be? 1, 3 and 9. For 12, 1, because 1 is a factor of each number. Again, then 2 can divide 12, 3 can divide 4, 6. For 15, 1, 3 and 5. And for 35, 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now let's write their factors. So I have written the factors here. For 9, 1, 3 and 9. Similarly for 12, 15 and 35. Now if you look at them, they have more than 2 factors. Means other than 1 and the number itself, they have more than 2 factors. So all these numbers are called composite numbers which have more than 2 factors. Okay, so this is an activity. This is on your book, page number 25. So open your book, page number 25, and let's do this activity. In this, our first step is do not color the cell containing the number 1. So we'll leave the cell containing number 1, start from 2. 2 is a prime number. So we will color all the cells which contain multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 means the numbers 2 can divide. And we know the rule for divisibility rule for the 2, that is the last digit must be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So let's color all those cells which contain the multiples of 2. This cell, then here the last digit is 4, then this because the last digit is 6, and here the last digit is 8, and this. So these are all multiples of 2. So these are These all are multiples of 2, means 2 can divide all these numbers, so they cannot be prime numbers. So 3 is a prime number, so now we will color all the cells which contain multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 means 9, then 15, some of them have already been colored, then 18, then 21, 24, 27, 30, then 33, then 36, 39, 42, 45, 49, 51, 54, 58, then 63, not 58, it was 57, then 60, then 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, then 93, 96 and 99. So these are all multiples of 3. Now 5 is a prime number, so let's color all the cells containing multiples of 5, means the last digit must be 5 or 0. And this column have been already colored. Now 7 is a prime number, so let's color all the cells containing multiples of 7. 14, 21, 28, 35, they have already been 49, 77, 91 and 99. Okay, now what you have to do is write down all the numbers which have been left uncolored, because they are all prime numbers. They have only two factors, which is 1 and the number itself. So we have done the prime numbers till 100. Now you have to write down all those numbers, and all the numbers we have colored. They are all composite numbers because they have more than two factors. Now you have to write all the numbers which have been uncolored. This is your homework. Make a list of all prime numbers from 1 to 100. Question number 1, 2 and 3 on page number 27. These are the objectives you have to do on your book. And question number 4 on page 28. This question, the numbers are given in this question, and you just have to write that whether is it prime number or a composite number. And if you have any question or something you want to ask, then you can contact on school's contact number. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.